Okay, we are back with another backtesting session. The random month was July 2022. So we will do that month. Well, are we doing? Oh, it's got pretty steady high. Already marked out for me. Thank you. Looks like we are coming out of this gap. Clearly in a bearish trend. I think I wouldn't want us to come up here. Oh, I'd want us to maybe react off this gap to send us lower, perhaps. Or we could just flush to these external lows. I can definitely see that happening. We've got two daily lows stacked closer to each other, so that can be okay, I think. Lower time frame doesn't look great. So let's go into this. Got this draw. Maybe we get like a little accumulation, manipulation, distribution up, potentially. It's just absolutely ranging between these two right now. Okay, get the sweep of that. Nothing's really happened so far. Got a 5 minute here. What's the S doing? Wow. Okay. Looks like we're bearish, so we can target these lows. And we get a 5 and 15 continuation. I mean, these highs are so obvious, don't they? This has been taken away. Oh, okay, ES to them. There's an S and T there. That's why we're going there. That makes sense. That's the 5 minute chart. Oh, that's ridiculous. Okay, so I'll mark out the 15-minute gap. That's an obvious. Doesn't look like we're very volatile at all. I mean, yeah, it's not come up into even a 5 minute at the moment. Let's see that 15-minute. Oh my god, why is this so laggy? Let's mark out on ES as well. Oh, there's not a solid inverse here. There's this 1 minute inverse right now. I mean, S&T at this high. We've come into it, remanipulated. I'll probably wait for a change in the state here, I can't lie. If we go below this, order lock, which we do, I'm quite happy to take this short position. And trending market, come into 15-minute, react out of it. I've inversed all of these 15 minutes, and we've got London low still intact, but we can just aim for range low here. And I'd want to go break even, maybe when ES takes, if ES takes this range low. So let's be careful here. Order 1%, save. Let's just be careful here. Yeah, I mean, taking that inverse for me is a bit preemptive. We've also come up above 330 price, and hopefully wow. So I would have got break even there, unfortunately. Where's the 1-to-1? Because my rule is at 1-to-1 we take 75% out. So when we got to there, I would take 75% out. Then I would have held. So I would have lost. What's that? We can just close it here for our records. So, okay. We would have like maybe 3-3-3, but for RR purposes, yeah, would have gone break even here. The rest of my position unfortunately would have been stopped to break even. So okay, and rightly so because it looks like it wants to go to my stop loss. Perfect. That's really good. It's really good that you have a set 1-to-1. You've got to take partials there. But yeah, the rest would have been stopped to break even, which is fine. So we are going to go next session. Hello. It's got the 4 hour. What's happened? What's happened? Okay, we have come into this. Have we maybe just create equal highs? I don't know. Backtesting sometimes creates equal highs when it's just not, and actually has taken out the liquidity point. What a session of all time, honestly. High trading anyway. Or maybe it's just an S&T with. Oh no, it has taken out, but just. So I'm very bearish at the moment. There's a 1 hour here, which I'd love us to come into, send us lower. Honestly, this low will be taken, I reckon, by the end of the day. Which is a daily low as well. There's also a daily low here, which you should look out for as well. Okay. Really obvious bias of the day, which is nice. Don't have that too often. Wow. I'm still bearish. Let's look at NQ for this. Wow. Do we create a 5-minute off open? Can we stay shop here? Do, but it's just going to flush straight away, isn't it? That's unfortunate. Oh, maybe not. No way. No way. Wow. Straight through. Straight through. Don't get that daily low. Okay. Okay, so we want to come up to this hourly and give me that daily low. Okay. Okay, I'm still selling shorts here. Or not want to take a long right now. What are we doing, man? How do we not come up and take this hourly? Oh no, we still took a lot of liquidity. There's a 3-minute. We are 1 minute away from closing. We've got an S&T at the high. I'm just reacting to what happened. We don't need this hourly sweep. We have come into the 15-minute here, which has taken out all this low resistance liquidity. This 4-minute is the highest time frame here, but it's tiny and it closes in 3 minutes. So what we're going to do, if this closes over 3 minute, which it doesn't, okay, over the 4-minute, 2 more minutes. 1, 2. No, hasn't done it. Next candle has, obviously. That has closed over the 3 minutes, so we are going to take this short here now. And we're going to put our stop here. Don't really want us coming up any further than that. And we can target this daily low down here. Break even at this accumulation low. If this does respect the 4 minute, we can get out early, I think. But I'm happy with this. Have we... Ooh. Only thing is we're very close to... so I'm placed fourth. We're very close to 3, which is 10 a.m., which is a key... Wow. Okay. Okay, so this was news. I would not trade if it was high impact news. I wouldn't have taken that short. Okay. I know it just sounds like I'm making excuses, but I wouldn't. I'm not looking at Forex Factory right now. But that's clearly a high impact news candle, and I would not take that trade. So I'm just going to replay. I just can't be able to get Forex Factory and know when that red folder is, but I do not trade like 10 minutes before red folder. Yeah, I will not trade 3 minutes before red folder news. So it's going to wipe that. 2, 3. We also didn't respect the 4 minute here. We did respect the 4 minute, sorry. Wow, we're still respecting this 4 minute. We just took out data low as well. Right now, I hope we like get a come into here maybe. It's 1 hour. Nice. Mm. Unfilled 5 there. Ideal scenario, this comes up and resweeps this high, and then we can have a short idea. Generating liquidity. Wow. Okay. Maybe not. Maybe not. Just come into this hourly. Looks like we're long from this point then. I was really set on shorts. I can't lie. Yeah, it looks like we're kind of going to come up to the 4 hour then. You still get short opportunities. Is there a 30-second in there? There was. Hmm. I really hate this stupid platform. So we did sweep this 4 hour, and honestly, I think this 5 minute short's good, but it's late in the session, or the session's actually finished for me anyway. Honestly, I think something like that would happen, but let's see if it does. Not at all. Guess we're bullish somehow, which doesn't make too much sense. Can't lie to you. Wait, did it sweep all of these? No, it didn't. Still left this one. So let's just go to the next session. Okay, really deep. And there's 4 hour now. Looks like we're accumulating. We have an S&T with ES at this high here. So I can see like an internal to external play here, and I can see an external to internal play as well. I have an S&T that's low, so I'll expect external high to be hit first. Before we go internal, we are in between PD arrays here. Got 15 minutes either side. Come into this and inversed. It was already inverse pre-market, wasn't it? Yeah. There's nothing. There we go, that external play. We get that inverse. I'm taking the shorts for sure. Yeah, I really like this. Because it's really volatile, I'm not going to put my stop fully to the wick. And I'm going break even at this low. I don't even care. Because sometimes it just tastes, I don't know, it's weird. Order save. I mean, there's nothing really bad about this trade at all. This has also swept this. There's also a reason for it to be high resistance. There's a high time frame S&T as well. Yeah, I like this trade a lot. So let's break even. And we flush. Okay, really nice 1-to-1 there. There was context behind the 930. Our break even was good, pretty clear break even point. Highest time frame gap inverted. Yes, also swept, so this is more high resistance. And you can see it accumulating before the 15-minute, which is really great. 930 adds to the liquidity. We have a 930 wick we put in on the 15-minute candle. We reject these highs, or we sweep these highs and we reject them. And I can see us coming all the way down to here. External to internal, really nice play. Oh, we're going to flush all the way down. We don't. Oh, 1-to-1. Our little, we have one. We don't care about any other people. So we are 2-0 in this session, which is really nice. Oh, this looks a lot worse. That's the 15-minute time frame. No direction. It looks like we're just slowly coming up. Not got really an internal play here. There's a 1-hour intermediate low here. Is there any help from ES? No, we're still kind of going towards its daily high, so this would be the draw for me. This could be like a news candle that's come down into here. I don't think we've gone into the 1-hour here. No, we haven't. So potentially a resweep of that would be nice for sending us higher. Is that a data wick? No, it's just a low. Looks like quite high resistance. So this could be a protected low. Not sure yet. We'll see. Okay. Absolutely burst through that. Okay, that's nice. Got like a 5 minute long, maybe. No. Mac. I mean, there's not really much to react off here. Yeah. I mean, I'd rather a long before we get this high. In these types of situations, you can't do much, which is annoying. Has ES got any targets? That's also what I wanted to ask. Or is it just in this 1 hour still? Yeah, it's in a massive 1 hour. So gap fills do get a little reaction. I mean, yeah. Could have taken this short here towards this 5 minute or 15 minutes, sorry. But the close wasn't there. Oh well. So we're in the 15 minute now. If we're bullish, we can come up. I've got an S&T there. It's really nice. Highest time frame is the 4 minute at the moment. Don't get the close over the 4 minute or the 3 minute. We got the 2 minute. There's no 5 minutes, so we're waiting for a 4 minute inverse here already. Can take it here. Good. Oh, how am I getting a 1 second chart there? Yeah, the only issue here, right, is nothing external to target. But I do want to take it like it is. I'll be more like I think we're just going to break even here. It's not worth the risk because we're kind of like doing trend lines, so I can see us rejecting this high again. Stop loss is not clear either. Um, Maybe I'll put my stop loss low here. When was elimination? Mm, it's not really my cup of tea. Like, it's just because we don't have anything to target, particularly. Um, yeah, I'm going to fade this. Yeah, look, break even straight away. Like, sometimes that could not be a break even. Um, well, yeah, would have been an instant loss there, so that's a really good fade there. 4 minute long. Actually, let's put that up. Actually, no, we need to. There's the chat. 4 min long fade. No targets really. Very close to break-even point. Looks like LR warming. That's the trend line forming. Not worth the risk. Now we screenshot it. Okay, let's go to the next day. We have a 30-minute gap here. It looks like we've rejected this low, so I wouldn't really want to trade lower, to be honest with you. Maybe get some like accumulation, manipulation of these lows and come up, or we might just head straight for like this area over here. Same with the S. Yeah, there's no entry in there, unfortunately. The idea was correct though. We manipulated these lows and we came higher. Do we have any sort of 5-minute? Do you have a 5-minute? It's not really sponsored though, so we've got to be careful with this. There's no low to manipulate either. Let's see. Wow, that was a close there. I mean, yeah, you could trade that, but I wouldn't really want to target this low here. Very high resistance, in my opinion. And like, it comes so deep in this 5-minute. Like, I'm not interested in shorts here. Um, I didn't mind this long here with the 1-minute inverse. We just didn't get it. Yeah, really nice actually. Where is the 5-minute close? Yeah, I do not mind this at all. Shame for just a 1-to-1. Where do I think my stock's protected? There's an order block here. Put it below the order block, maybe here. We can target a 1-to-1. Obviously break even at this point here. But I am cursed with 5 minutes. They never work out for me. Oh, until right now. That is a beautiful little trade. Wow, freaking we. Suppose could help for longer, but I don't mind. A 1-to-1, 5-minute long. I want to say that's the first 5-minute long I've had in ages. 5-min long. Reacting off rejection block. Owly. I was just trading, bro. I was just trading. Oh, where'd it go? Rejection block. What else? 930 has added to the liquidity. Added to liquidity. Liquidity. Protected low. Low. Stop below order block. Yeah, very nice trade. That was the most like discretional trade I've taken in a long time. So I'm quite happy about it. And we go like this. Also, looks like high time frame accumulation, manipulation, distribution, doesn't it? Should we see how far we come up? Ah, we're taking it to here, maybe. Well, that's not worth it. Oh, I'm happy with my 1-to-1. Okay. Oh yes, shot up. It's you, your session. What's that? 3 wins, no losses. That's fine. I mean, well, I know I took that loss in technically back testing, but like I will not take that light because it's right before news. Um, yeah, I can see us retracing here. We'll come to this order block in a 4-hour at the moment. Just swept this intermediate high, so like a resweep would be a bit weird. Let's just see how this pans out. Not loving how price is looking. Okay, decent. That wasn't presented as high then. Looking for this low now. I know it's protected before, but I think given the circumstances, it looks like we're going to take it. I'm not scared about the rejection work either. Ah, any entry, sir, any entry. Watch these play out, right? There's no inverse, there's no real retrace, but this will go like down to here. Just tell. It's such a bad trade. I just can't take it. We're in a bit of a pickle here. Not much I can target, like here. Do have a lot of low resistance, high time frame liquidity here. Maybe if we get some sort of retrace, but it'll have to be in like a 15-minute, which is right now actually. It's opened. Just come into the 15-minute here. How have we not come into it? Do have a double S&T here, which is a good sign, I guess. I don't like this. I like it on ES more. Like a short here. Let's just see how this plays out. But I'm not going to take it. I'll be like over and R-ing. Like, would I take this 1 minute? I'd rather see us come into this 15-minute. To be honest with you, I know we have an ES, but maybe if we get a change of state here, I can go in. That's better. But then we've already got range low on ES, so it'll be an S&T at the low. Yeah. So you'd have to go break even when that hit that range low. You got to 1-to-1? You would have, but I mean that's just risky, isn't it? We need a fat candle to the downside here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, no real shorting opportunities now. Again, with this long, there's nothing really to target. Probably hit. See this now. Yeah, we've hit 50% of the range. So if we get like a long here, like that does look really good though. I'm not going to take it. There's nowhere to target. So this is another faded trade. An S&T of 345 manipulation in a 5 minute. No great targets though. Also, we haven't closed above the 2 minute, so I wouldn't trade it. Yeah, okay. It's not even a faded trade. Not even a faded trade. And this could be high resistance because we had the another 50%. Also, we had massive rejection wick over the 50%. We've come into it, distribute lower. 5 minute short might be the play. I mean, it's over the end of the session now, anyway. We'll do one more day really quickly after this. Yeah. Go to next section. And that will be us done. And we get 100% win rate. Oh, this price action is just a bit tricky to make sense of it all. We're in this daily gap now. We are expecting it. I would have preferred us to come here, but it's also a breakaway gap. So I'm not really expecting us to come all the way down. And we're reacting off this 15-minute and this one, so we're really bullish. This is our next target, and then our ultimate target would be here. Ah, let's see, do we have a 15-minute offering? No. Happens. Would not take this short. My ideal target would be this 15-minute intermediate, and then a break even here. And look at that rejection work. 4 minutes highest time frame. That's disgusting. That's an alright line. Wait, not really though. Taking all our targets within 2 seconds. High time frame S&T. Here, can we go external high to internal now? Potentially. Yeah, no 15-minute at the moment. More than 5 minutes to target, so. Yeah, highest time frame versus a 3-minute here, which has already been inversed. I'm not. We've got the order block. I can expect us to react off. If we don't, well, who's to say? Yeah, that 3-minute, I wouldn't take that. And after that, there's no real entry. Yeah. What we're doing over it, yes. S&P at the low. Have taken this 15-minute intermediate. There's another one down here. If we continue to be bearish, we can look for that. Internal 5-minute. Not loving the structure of this right now. Yeah, that's just a plan trade. What is this? Daily. So we're re-entering that daily gap. Took this 15-minute intermediate. I mean, there's no entry in all of that, is there? Or maybe if it's a 5-minute, I'll take it. But sometimes these levels just get rejected at. Like, so literally took a trade in backtesting the other day where I'm like, this is definitely going to long. This is definitely going to hit this. And it's going to break even you no matter what, because it's not a good break even point here. But it didn't even get to this high, went straight to my stop loss. It happens. That's why I'm not taking this long. See what I mean? Wow. 30 seconds already gone. Was there a 15-minute? There was. Well, we've accumulated. Um, Honestly, I wouldn't mind taking this close. This is just closed over. But I don't see this as high resistance liquidity. Here. Our R's pretty fucked here. I've accumulated, manipulated, and maybe distribute. Do not want to end on a loss. But I do like this. Coming to the 15-minute. Already inverted 15 minutes, so very bearish still. And we've got these lows to target. There's a daily gap down here. Also a 5-minute. I'll just targeting this accumulation low, so let's see how this pans out. This 30-second hold us up. Nope. Oh, there was an S&T there. I was like, I want to get out at. Damn. Finish on a loss. That's annoying. You know what, maybe we should have. I mean, it is kind of high resistance, but low time frame that's so low resistance. That can happen. How do I avoid that loss? I'm not sure. I was still very bearish. I know he just took out that 15-minute intermediate low. Is that like an hourly gap? No. 30-minute intermediate. And we had a 15-minute rejection wick. But I was still bearish. Is there like a re-entry here? No. Mm. Do we get a 4-minute inverse here? But like, maybe I can note why this loss was because, like, when we're so premium, um, for us to take this trade, we need to have a strong draw after, and there wasn't really one. Just a draw liquidity error there, nothing more, nothing less. I like the low time frame structure, that's why I took it. Losses about the model, and that's why I'm not going to take this 4-minute short either. Because draw liquidity is king. The next draw is all the way down here, so that's quite far away from that. Which is also a daily gap, but we're still in this daily gap here. So yeah, we'll watch this 4-minute short play out. I'm hoping it doesn't. Yay! Okay, we did good. So you could have taken that re-entry, but we didn't. Oh, let me Still an okay trade. But I know exactly the type of. Was it even a 1 minute inverse? That was a 30-second, wasn't it? Yeah. I mean, honestly, again, I could have avoided this loss by going in on the 30-second, uh, aiming for a 1-to-1, and breaking even at the internal low. Like, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna put that as that waiting for a CISD is stupid. Okay, because we'll still have a reaction from this 50-minute no matter the draw. Just that I was expecting us to go external low. So it's still a good trade idea. It just needs to be performed on the 30-second rather than the 1 minute. So yeah, lower time frame to get your best entry. Lowest time frame. Okay, I'm gonna screenshot this. Oh, maybe not. To get the stop where it was. I think it's a really strong draw below that 1 minute CISD is working out. Or 30 seconds. And what else? What else? Oh yeah, starting 1-to-1. This is what backtesting teaches you, so you can be ready for that 30-second close, which it has closed over. But okay, I want to go journal all those. Um, always journal. Today I took no trades, so I'm not going to do a trade recap. Do price action. Uh, One loss we could have avoided by taking a win, taking a better entry. But other than that, I think we did pretty good. So what was that? 3 wins, 1 loss. So it's 75% win rate anyway. And that is the session. That is the session. Boom.